And now a special ad break brought to you by BT and ITV, helping to keep the nation connected with a series of daily top tips on tech.
Hi there. I hope you're well. I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. I think now more than ever in these unprecedented times, we need to be making contact with each other. And that's why BT and ITV have put together these really simple skills films to help you make the best use of technology. Today, I'll be talking about messaging apps like WhatsApp to stay connected. Now, it's really simple stuff, and you might be all over this already, but if you know somebody who isn't quite as tech savvy, then do share this with them and help them get connected. It's free to download, so just go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp and click on this icon. Then it's a case of registering, so use your phone number to register. Then create a profile for yourself. Now, you might want to take a new photo of yourself. Okay, so now you're up and running. Let's have some fun. So let's have a look at all the different things you can do. You can send text messages, you could share photos or videos, you could teach the dog a new trick and film it and send it to all your friends and family, because mine are really fascinated when I do that. If you want to set up a group chat, so let's say I want to start a new group, let's do that. And I will put into that group Rio Ferdinand and Robbie Savage. So tap on that. I can call it BT Gang. Now this is good because you can actually also send a voice message. You see the little blue microphone? Press that and hold it. Hi Robbie, it's Claire. I'm balding, but you've got really good hair. So lots of ways of keeping in touch with friends and family and having a laugh with them as well. Let's finish with some tips and tricks. Now, if you want to be really down with the kids, then you need to know how to add an emoji. So you can send a face that's crying with laughter or a love heart. I'm going to send a love heart. That's nice. You can also make a call on WhatsApp, and this is great if you've got friends or family who live abroad and you've got a good internet connection. Just tap the telephone top right, then essentially you're calling them for free. Or you can tap the little camera and make a video call. So let's give that a go now. Robbie Savage, how are you?
I'm okay, Claire. How are you?
I just wanted to see your face and I wanted to see your luscious hair.
Look at that.
Yeah, looking good.
Is that a dog?
Yeah, he's lying on the sofa.
Let me show mine.
Yeah, oh yeah, let's see yours.
Let me turn the camera around. I'll just show you my dogs. Gigi.
Two of them, hello.
Yes, go, yeah, go.
Anyway, it's good to see you and stay safe.
Thanks, Claire.
Bye. See, isn't that nice? I get to see his dogs, get to see his very nice garden furniture as well. Right, that's it. Everything you need to know to get you connected or to help someone you love start chatting away with friends and family all over the world. Look out for more virtual lessons from BT and ITV, from me and from Archie. Stay safe. Look after yourself. Bye-bye.